Hey guys, Acura Amanda here. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for the notifications for when we go live. This video comes from the Manalapan Police Department. We did a public records request after dealing with Sergeant Tracy Merrit from the Manalapan Police Department. I will put a link to the original video in the description when myself and Palm Beach Free Press went in here and interacted with this sergeant, guys. You are going to see this sergeant driving down a main road in Manalapan, Florida. When he arrives to speak to us, you see this sergeant put his seatbelt on. So it appears that he did not have his seatbelt on the entire time he was driving in his patrol car on the public dime. I definitely think that risk management should take a look at this video. There he is right now, guys, putting his seatbelt on, just in case we catch him without his seatbelt on.
.310 to base, show me 97.
713 hours.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Bunch of everything. I don't know if you want to handle it outside or step into the AC and discuss for a bit. Or
What?
we have a bunch of
How can I help you, sir?
A bunch of stuff regarding George, regarding Chief of Police, regarding City Attorney / Erica. Bunch of things. I could throw the list at you if you're ready for them.
Well, I don't know what you're asking. If you need to talk
Absolutely,
to
man. So,
Chief, he's not in.
For sure. Could I schedule something with Chief instead?
You'd have.
Go to Palm Beach Free Press's channel and go check out the encounter with Sergeant Tracy Merrit. I bet he has pulled over many motorists over the course of his career in this department for the same infraction that he was just doing, guys. Thank you all for watching.
It goes forward right there, okay?
Awesome. Thank
And
you,
is
man.
your camera running right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I need Erica again. I need to request that footage right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all take care. Have a good day, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Appreciate
dear.
you.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Happy birthday, girl. Don't party too hard.
310 base. Individuals have left the department in reference requesting several items. Everything's 10-4 will be tonight.
Hey, Linda.